Assalamu alaikum, Ahmed here. Welcome to the ninth video lecture of class 4 English. Now we will be solving the question answers of the first unit, like what was the name of the PP's house. You guys are also already provided with the answers on your given worksheet, so you can copy them from the video here. Let me focus it for here for a second. Okay, the next question says, what were Tommy and Anika thinking while standing by their gate? They were thinking about what they should do, whether anything exciting or was likely to happen, or it was going to be one of those dull days. Uh, so, what was the unusual about how Bibi went on the morning walk? Yes, in the unusual thing about Bibi's morning walk that he walked with one foot on the gutter and the other foot on the sidewalk. So the next question says, Pipi said that she had been to Congo, Egypt, and South America. Question C, E says Pipi's mother was dead and her father was on a cannibal island. I hope you have already gone through the chapter. Then these question answers will be much easier to understand. Anika told Pipi that it was weak to lie, and Tommy realized that meeting Pippi was something new and exciting in his life. Question H, answer to question H says Pippi's pet monkey's name was Mr. Okay, it's not clear that Nelson. Okay. Question I says, how do we know that the pet monkey was polite? The answer to this question is that we know that the pet monkey was polite because he takes off his hat and bows politely. Now these question answers will be solved on your neat notebook with proper headings, chapter name, date and day, and in neat handwriting. And until next video lecture, Allah Hafiz.